In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to know that to use GitHub Copilot, you'll need a personal GitHub account with access to one of their plans. If you're just looking to explore the features, you can start with Copilot's free tier. This will give you limited access to the features, but if you find yourself wanting more, you can easily upgrade to Copilot Pro or Copilot Pro Plus to unlock additional features, better models, and higher request limits. Please note, however, that from April 20th, 2026, new signups for Copilot Pro, Copilot Pro Plus, and student plans will be temporarily paused. Similarly, any self-serve signups for Copilot Business for organizations will also be paused a couple of days later on April 22nd, 2026. So, keep that in mind as you decide on a plan. Now, if you'd like to know more about the specific plans, you can check out the official section on GitHub regarding plans for GitHub Copilot. Once you've set up your account, it's time to ask your first question. Start by navigating to a repository on GitHub and open up a file. You'll find Copilot icon located at the top right of the file view. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a chat panel at the bottom. Now, here's where the fun begins. In the Ask Copilot box, type in your question and hit Enter. You might ask something like, "Explain this file," or "How could I improve this code?" Another option could be, "How can I test this code?" Whatever question you choose, Copilot will respond in the chat panel, providing you with insights and information tailored to your request. And don't worry if your first question doesn't cover everything. You can keep the conversation going. If you want more details, you might try typing "Tell me more" to prompt Copilot to expand on its last comment. It's all about creating a dialogue that helps you get the answers you need. But wait, there's more. You can also ask a variety of questions to explore more about the software you're working on. For instance, you can ask about general software development concepts, inquire about specific changes in a pull request, or even get information about specific issues or commits within the repository. This can really enhance your workflow and understanding of the code base. To dig deeper into these capabilities, I encourage you to check out more about GitHub Copilot Chat. This can empower you to ask effective questions within your IDE. Speaking of IDEs, you can also learn how to get those inline code suggestions that will pop up as you code, making your life a whole lot easier. And if you're on the go, don't forget that you can even use Copilot on your mobile device or through the command line using GitHub's CLI Copilot extension. Isn't that neat? So there you have it. Utilizing GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio can really enhance your coding experience. I hope this helps you get started.